Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Goan Mackerel Recheado fry. Clean, wash and slit 3 mackerels. Apply 1 teaspoon of salt. Apply juice of half lime. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Apply Recheado masala inside the mackerels. The link of Recheado masala recipe is in the description. Heat oil in a pan. Shallow fry the mackerels. Once one side of the mackerels are fried, flip the mackerels to fry the other side also. Mackerels are now fried. Switch off the flame. Please support my channel and do like my videos. Share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Please support this channel to grow. Thanks for watching.